Check out this repair we did on a 2023 Ford Ranger. This dent was made by a deer running out of the woods and running into the side of this customer's truck. This repair is done in one day with no paint, no replacement of parts, and it was a comprehensive claim too, so it didn't cost the customer a single dime. So first up, we're going to be gluing some of these collision style tabs to the outside of the panel in order to get everything realigned. I'm going to be using this Cam Auto Bridge Puller to do the majority of the work for me. Next up, we're going to be taking some parts off of the section of this bedside to allow me to get more access. Also, we're setting up some tension on this panel. The reason being it's kind of big and hollow, as you can see, so this just helps keep everything nice and tight as I'm working it. The final stage of this repair is called finishing, and what we're doing is we're getting these tools behind the damage and we're using it to work it up from the backside. This part of the repair is very labor intensive and takes many hours. However, it is the most important part, and it's how we achieve these results. If you have any questions about paintless dent removal, or you think your vehicle would be a good candidate for this repair process, please visit our website at lancasterdentrremoval.com or give me a call at 717-459-4423. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.